In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to untrack Google Flights. If you've been getting price alerts you no longer need, or you simply want to tidy up your saved searches, this walkthrough will show you exactly how to turn off those notifications and stop tracking specific itineraries. Start by opening Google Flights in your preferred web browser. You can do this on desktop or mobile. The layout is very similar. Give the page a moment to load so all the options appear properly. Next, make sure you're signed into your Google account. This is important because tracking is tied to the account you used when you turned alerts on. If you have more than one account, double check that you're logged into the correct one so you see the right list of tracked flights. Once you're signed in, look to the upper left corner of the screen for the menu icon. It's the three horizontal lines, sometimes called the hamburger menu. Click or tap that to open the navigation panel. In the panel that appears, choose tracked flight prices. This takes you to a dedicated page where Google lists the routes and dates you've been monitoring. Think of this as your central hub for managing all flight alerts in one place. On this page, you'll see an option for email notifications. Toggle this off to stop receiving price alerts in your inbox. This is a quick way to silence notifications across your tracked items. If your goal is to cut down on emails immediately, this switch is the fastest fix. Just remember that turning this off means you won't get updates, even if prices drop on trips you're still tracking. If you want to completely stop tracking specific flights or routes, locate them in the list and click the highlighted tracking to control next to each one. This is often displayed as a bell icon or a switch. When it's highlighted or filled in, tracking is active. Clicking it once will untrack that item. You'll know it worked when the icon turns gray or the switch moves to the off position, and the highlight disappears. Repeat this for any other flights you no longer want to monitor. When you're done, your tracked list should only include the trips you still care about, or it may be empty if you've turned everything off. You can re-enable email notifications or retrack a flight at any time by returning to the same page and switching the controls back on. That's all there is to it.